With planning and sourcing complete, manufacturing can begin. We next move on to production and quality processes that are utilising digital twin and OT data in Mendix Lean Daily Management to enforce lean techniques for shop floor personnel. New incidents have arisen for this team. Let's investigate. The Lean Daily Management Suite aids daily factory operations with a visual plant representation, enabling immediate action on 4M issues: machine, material, method, and man. This visual factory representation in the Mendix app, Lean Daily Management, integrates real-time operational data. The plant's digital twin is showcased at the centre, with each workstation tagged by a node. If there is an incident, the colour of the node indicates the severity of the issue. Using the drop-down, the user can quickly navigate to a specific workstation. Lean Daily Management automatically opens and closes tickets based on the IoT values retrieved from AWS TwinMaker. Other Mendix apps can manage corrective or preventive actions. For FAR 70, mandatory training is incomplete, triggering an automatic incident. The operator must start preventive training. By clicking Solve Issue, they are guided through the training checklist. As an alternative, the Checklist to Go application can also be started directly from the operator's mobile phone, where they can start the training. The operator watches the training video, answers test questions, and confirms their understanding by clicking Next Step to continue with more training questions. They checked Confirmed and clicked on Next Step. This is followed by more training questions. After answering number 1, they can continue to the next step. Again, they answer and continue. Question 4 is answered by checking questions 2 and 3 before reaching the summary page. Finally, they complete the training checklist by signing and submitting. An operator's time is precious. Therefore, the incident in Lean Daily Management closes automatically once the checklist is completed, thanks to the Mendix Business Event technology. This allows the operator to commence work at their station without delay. The plant manager can see the incident has been closed. It is shown listed in their Closed Incidents tab. But the plant manager identifies another problem with the machine. The charts display live IoT machine data. Exceeding the voltage threshold triggered Lean Daily Management to create a machine incident. Clicking Incident Details to show more information. To view incident details, they click Open Ticket to integrate with maintenance. Lean Daily Management integrates with Field Service Management to handle incidents. We can navigate to the Mendix Maintenance Manager template, create a work order for this incident, and assign it to the relevant technician. The user is notified of the automatically generated ticket. Now a work order needs to be created so a technician can fix the machine. Click on Work Orders, select the corresponding work ID. Harper Smith is automatically assigned and the order was created. Next, go to the scheduler and search for a new work order within the New tab on the right side. Then assign it and create appointment by clicking on an available slot for Harper Smith. Open the work order at the bottom and complete it. Let's close maintenance and field service management and return to Lean Daily Management. Also, the plant manager can see the incident has been closed as it's listed in the Closed Incidents tab. This demo showcased one out of many Lean Daily Management Suite use cases combined with other Mendix templates. The application is fully adaptable for various applications, customizable for different plants or facilities, incorporating data from various diverse sources, and integrates with other applications to resolve incidents.